Fill or kill resembles the place an order feature. It's a limited time order executable immediately, failing which the order expires. Its purpose is to guarantee that your order goes up instantly, is processed completely, and at the desired exchange rate. When using the regular order procedure, you announce that you're willing to buy cryptocurrency at a particular exchange rate. For example, 50,000 zloty per Bitcoin. When the market exchange rate hits your selected desired price, you can buy cryptocurrency from more than one person. Alice can sell us a fifth of a Bitcoin and Bob the remaining 4/5, for example. A fill or kill order ensures that it'll only involve one other person and be instantaneous or be cancelled. This feature is made for advanced users. If you understand how it works and decide on using it, confirm by clicking on I understand and confirm. The publication of a fill or kill order is much like the same process for a regular order, but the hidden and post-only features are disabled for fill or kill. Fill or kill allows you to determine the desired exchange rate and the amount you wish to transact with. The transaction cost is calculated automatically. Alternatively, you can also switch between the fields and enter the cryptocurrency amount and the exchange rate you're gunning for. Then it's your bid or ask order that will be calculated. Fill or kill is used rarely and is meant for advanced users. Bear in mind that when using it, you do so at your own risk.